Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm simply going to show you how to find Facebook message requests on your Facebook Messenger. So these message requests are hidden and won't be visible on the inbox section of your Messenger. These messages are sent by those people who are not your friends on Messenger. So any messages that other people send you will directly land up on this section. So to find these messages, tap on the three lines on the top left of your Messenger, and in this section you will have an option called message request. You can just tap on this option, and there are two sections, the you may know section and the spam section. The messages that other people send you who are not your friends on Facebook will land on the you may know section. So you can view all of those messages right here, and you can either choose to accept or decline those messages. That's all it takes to find Facebook Messenger message request. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you want more tutorials just like this, be sure to turn on the notifications of our channel.